this video, you will learn to draw vegetables. Vegetables are good for health. So let's draw a carrot. Carrot is so healthy for us. Now let's draw a corn. I will draw a tomato. All vegetables are good for us. We should use them in our daily routine. This is eggplant. Capsicum. This is broccoli. Now let's start painting. Green color. Orange color. I will use yellow color to paint a corn. Green color. Tomato. Tomato is of red color. So let's paint a tomato with red. Now I will use green color to paint eggplant. Green color. I will use yellow color to paint capsicum. broccoli is of green color. So what is your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is carrot. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.